Standard 5th, subject English, lesson number 4, strawberries. So children, you must be knowing how the strawberries are eaten. Sometimes they are made of juice, and sometimes they can be eaten directly, and sometimes you can make ice creams and fruit salads. So strawberries can be eaten in many ways. So here the poet is talking about the strawberries which are different, which are grown in the woodland vine, that is, which are grown in the farm. Sorry, woodland vine means the forest. The strawberries which are grown in the forest are sweeter, while the strawberries which we grow in our garden and farm are juicy and sweet. So that is the difference the poet wants to share about the strawberries. So now I'm going to read the poem Strawberries. Strawberries that in gardens grow are plump and juicy fine. So the poet is saying the strawberries which grow in our garden, in the farm, are plump and juicy and fine also. Plum means they are quite fat, full of flesh and juicy, but sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. The poet further says that the strawberries, the wise man knows that the wise man means the experienced people, the people who knows about, who have the knowledge about the fruits and who have traveled to a long distance. So they know that the strawberries which grow in the spring here means which grow from the woodland vine. Woodland means the forest, and vine means the creeper plant. The strawberries are the creeper plant, and they grow on the stem of the plant. So these are the strawberries which grow on the woodland, that is the forest, and they are sweeter. The wise man says the strawberries which grow in the woodland, that is the forest, are sweeter than the strawberries which we grow in our garden and farm. Further, the poet says, no need for bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream. So these strawberries does not need a bowl or a silver spoon. Neither do they need sugar or spice or cream. So these are the fresh strawberries which are grown in the natural surroundings. So we don't need a bowl or a silver spoon, and we don't need to add sugar also to this fruits, because mostly the fruits which we get from the market, sometimes we add sugar to it to make it more sweet. But these strawberries which grow from the in the forest are so sweet that they can be eaten directly from the plants. So we don't need any bowl or a silver spoon, and we don't need any sugar also to add on it. Neither do we need spice or cream. Spice here means the spice that gives flavor, like the cinnamon or the cardamom, and the cream, sometimes we add fresh cream to the fruit juice. So we don't need to add these things. These fruits can be eaten directly from the plants. Has the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling stream? Beside the trickling stream. Has the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling stream? So the poet is saying that the wild berry, the strawberries are the wild berry. Why the poet says berry? Because it belongs to the strawberry family. So these strawberries which are grown in the month of June. But this is a poem written by the poet who lives in United Kingdom, and there the summer month is June, is the summer month, and in that month the strawberries are grown, while in our country the strawberries are grown from November to March, that is the winter season. So the strawberries which are grown in the month of June beside the trickling stream, that is, the trickling stream means the fresh water flowing on the river, and the strawberries are grown along the river. They are spread along the river and in the forest. So these fruits we can be directly plucked from the plant and can be eaten directly. They do not need any sugar or spice or cream to be added. They can be eaten directly from the plants because they are grown in the natural surrounding near the stream. The water is flowing, there is a river, and trickling means the flow of the water near the river. So the berries are growing along the river. So they are spread along the river and they are growing in the natural surroundings. So these strawberries are very juicy and sweet. So that is the difference the poet meant to say, that the strawberries which are grown in the farm or in our garden are plump and juicy, but the strawberries which are grown in the natural surrounding are more sweeter and juicy. So this was the explanation of the poem Strawberries. Now we will see the question answers. Learn and recite the poems. Here the poet meant to say the children should sit with their parents and they can learn and recite the poem. Read the poem and answer the following. Which are the two different places where strawberries grow? So the two different places where the strawberries grow. First one is in the garden, in our garden and in the farm, and second place in the woodland vine. What are the two different ways of eating strawberries? The two different ways are, first we can eat directly pluck from the plant and eat, and the second one is we can make the juice or we can add in the ice creams. So in this way, the two different ways you can write directly pluck from the plant and eat, and the second one to make the juice. Which strawberries are plump and juicy? The strawberries which are grown in the farm and garden are plump and juicy. Which strawberries are sweeter? The strawberries which grow in the woodland vine are sweeter. How would you like to eat your strawberries? So children can write their own answers how they are going to eat the strawberries. Some children like to eat strawberries directly, cut and eat, or sometimes you can make salads or sometimes make the juice. So children can write their own answer here. Activities. Find out when and where we get the strawberries in Maharashtra. So in Maharashtra, in the winter season, the strawberries are grown, and in the month from March to November to March. And in which places strawberries are grown in Panchgani and Mahabaleshwar. The next question is, make a list of your favorite fruits and vegetables and note down the time of the year when they are available in plenty. So this is the activity children has to do, which is the favorite fruit and vegetables they like, and how it is available. Like you can say the strawberries is available in the month of November to March. Even the orange is available in the month of November, December, January. So in this way, you can make a list of the fruits which are available and in which months. Have you ever eaten any fruit or vegetable picking it straight from the tree or field? Write about that experience in 3 to 5 lines. So children, here you can write a visit to the grapevine. You can write a visit to your grapevine, and you have plucked the grapes from the trees directly and ate it. You must have visited your friend's grapevine, and how you have eaten the fruits directly from the plants. Even the mangoes, you can write about the mangoes. So in this way, children can share their experience here. So this was the lesson. This was the poem for standard 5th. strawberries. Thank you for watching.